अब जाँदै हो हिउँ पर्दैछ guys. It's raining. Later on it's gonna be a snowstorm. But it's been more than a month I haven't played soccer, so finally I'm gonna play a soccer today. The same home ground, the small Papa team home ground. Taro miss गर्यो? Huh?
Miss भयो.
Taro आइसक्यो. टसी त्यहाँ छ के भन्नु छ टसीलाई? Happy loss या सुन यहाँ चाहिँ लैजु है. ता यु आपुइनिङ चल. फापदा के भन्नु छ?
दुई गोल फर्काउनु पर्ने छ.
ल दुई गोल फर्काइहालौँ न. ल तोर्जी दाइले के भन्नु छ? जस्तो गरिहाल्नु पर्यो. के भन्नु छ तपाईले?
के हुन्छ न इन्जोय
Enjoy. कुङा चिराउ लैजु है ल सुन. Why? Tesar da, di taring tesar da. All right, guys, it's snowing right now. We're having fun. We got to score 2 more goals. We got this. 인다. 다시 인다야. Jokes apart, it's snowing. It looks beautiful. And this Papa team decided to show off. Look at this, guys. Wow, NYC Snowstorm. Oh my goodness. It's not safe to go outside, guys. So the weather looks extremely scary. You actually don't want to go out, right? But look at the view. It looks beautiful. I just want to film this snow, right? It's piled up, right? And no matter how much you hate the snow, one thing that you cannot say that it's not beautiful. Well, it is beautiful. People are still struggling to get to work. As I could already see, there are no cars behind me or in front of me. There are cars, but I mean moving cars, right? So yeah, it feels like quite a freedom to walk on the main road like this. So yeah, I've been walking out on the street for past few minutes. All right, even the Tanang Cafe, the new Tibetan cafe, it's closed. And look at this, everywhere it's all closed. How is the snowstorm? You like it?
I love it.
You from New York?
I'm from Boston, so I'm used to
Where?
Boston.
Boston, so you're used to snow.
Used to snow.
I'm from Nepal. I'm used to snow. I'm from the mountains.
Okay, so good.
I see. So you enjoy snow. Pay your rent, right? It's tough. So, like it's not always that like, oh, it's beautiful and I just want to enjoy it. It's just that responsibility comes your way and you have to find a way to survive as well, right? So that's the reason people, despite this kind of weather condition, people are still trying to take off their cars and shovel all the snow out of their way.